videos isn't risk-free, and boy did we have some crashes in the production of this video. As we were preparing a waypoint flight prior to the project kicking off, the Air 3's sensors stopped working suddenly. This, combined with the bare late fall branches and dusk setting in, ended in a recipe for disaster. As we were setting waypoints, we found the Air 3 in the bare branches. Even though it wasn't very high off the ground, before we could slowly extract the drone, the propellers clipped some branches and it crashed hard into the ground, damaging 3 of its 4 legs. As a result, we resorted to the DJI Avata for this project. Even this one had a few bumps along the way. However, as luck would have it, on the final shot, the drone ended up high in the branches, and it took quite a tumble down to the ground. Luckily, the Avata is a pretty durable drone, and besides a broken propeller and some cracks along the propeller guards, it was none the worse for wear.
Looks like we have another broken propeller. Awesome, just bought those yesterday. At least we do have a couple backups, so let's get inside and see what's going on. Oh, we got a broken, that's not good.